Mic is on. Joe cracked it on. Got it. Shante. Terror Squad. Be about us. Be about you.
Bronzemarley.
What is going on, you guys? It is me, no other than the Bronzemarley. And I am the greatest edition of YouTube 2019, and here we are in 2022, and I've been the greatest edition and asset here on out. So why not join the compact, baby girl? I want you to be here. You want to be here. You hikey need to be here, love, just because we serve looks. We sometimes serve a little bit of tea, but overall, baby girl, we just be serving. So for today's video, you guys, I'm actually going to be doing my third review on this Luduna Hair from Amazon. This is, well, it was originally a 13x4, 26-inch body wave unit, and it was in the color natural black brown. Well, as y'all can see today, it's definitely giving, hey bronze, what's going on? Before even getting into my review, you guys, I want you to go ahead and watch this cute, quick little montage with me transforming this wig. into this review on this Amazon wig from the Luduna Hair store. You guys know that this wig started out as a 26-inch 13x4 unit, and how I was feeling how, okay, like maybe this hair has some synthetic fibers or whatever, just because it was just very frizzy and just a mess on the tails of the wig. I cut it and I transformed it into like a layered unit, and I actually really loved that style. However, it was just something about the texture of the hair. Now, once I got another wig from an Amazon company, I realized that, okay, the new wig that I have is very, very, very soft. It's very voluminous. Like, it's just a very nice wig. The construction was nice. The way it held a curl, everything was just nice. It was very silky, and I was just like, So that was actually what helped me to really get into forming a review on this hair. Now, I've purchased hair from Amazon prior to this wig for sure, but it's been a minute. Plus, when I first bought this wig, it was just for something that I needed ASAP. I did as much research as I could with the wigs that I had in my Amazon cart, and I just went with this one because most of the reviews in regards to this one were positive. Now, I'm here to give you guys my updated review on this wig, and I will say that I am actually going to say that if you have the money to pay for this wig, put it towards another one. Like, the wig, it's not terrible. However, I will say when I was coloring it, I had issues coloring the wig because the color just did not lift from it as much as I would have wanted it to, and I did the bleach bath, so usually with that it's supposed to be a lot quicker. Now, I will say there were some steps that I did miss out on, for instance covering the bucket or the tub that I bleached the wig in with like foil or something to trap the heat in. However, I went in and I bleached this wig twice, and this is as much as it lifted, you know, prior to me putting the color in. So that was something that was just like, what is it? Like, I know it's not the way that I'm bleaching it. Like, you know, even if I didn't cover it, like the wig was supposed to be lifting. So that was like an issue that I was having with it. Another issue that I had was, even before like bleaching the wig, coloring the wig, the hair just like got very thick. And I know that it probably wasn't like heat damage or anything. It could very much well have been, you know, heat damage. However, I just know for a fact that it wasn't even heat damage. Like, this hair was doing that before even getting very intense with like adding heat to the hair. So, you know, I went a couple of weeks without wearing this wig. This is actually my first time installing this wig in a couple of weeks, actually. This is my first time installing that wig since then. So yeah, I let it sit, I washed it, everything. I even went in with the freaking, what is that, the silicone mix, thinking that that was going to truly revive this wig. So after I washed the wig and everything, okay, it was cool. Like, I was watching it dry and I was like, oh, like it's doing something. But then once it completely dried and I went and I started to straighten it, like, the hair was just very thick. And it wasn't it. Like, even now, like, playing with the wig, like, it gets very, well, not too tangled, but, you know, I don't know, like, it doesn't get too tangled. I guess because, like, I just went in and styled it or whatever. Give or take a day or two, maybe tomorrow, this hair is going to be very tangled. Like, I don't know, it's just not it for me. One thing that I will say about the wig though is that I still don't experience like fallout or shedding with this wig. Like, it's very good with that. Now, another issue that I have is that when it comes to the texture of the wig, it doesn't get silky. This luster that you see is because of the product that I put in, but if y'all could just feel the wig, like, it's not silky whatsoever. Now, I will say it is looking kind of good in this moment, especially like this little flip side right here, but it's just not giving me what I needed to give. I don't really have very much to say about the wig. Like, I'm very satisfied with the color because the color is actually exactly what I wanted, so I ain't tripping about the work that I put into the wig. However, overall as a unit, the rating just keeps getting lower. So yeah, I'm gonna have to give this wig overall, I want to say like a 5 or a 6, like, because the wig doesn't make me happy. Now, will I finesse it? Can I finesse it? I don't have a choice. But, you know, other than that, like, there are better wigs out there. I'm so thankful that I had the chance to experience this wig, that I was able to do honest reviews because I paid for this wig with my own money. So I was able to really just give my unbiased review. So glad that I had an unbiased opinion and that you guys have literally seen me with this wig for going on 3 months now. I bought this wig at the ending of November, installed it in December, and yeah, I've been wearing it on and off since then. So it's about to be February, and next week it's about to be February. So that's going on 3 months with this wig, and yeah, it just feels like a really great synthetic wig. Yes, this is human hair, but for some reason, I just feel with my gut that there are some synthetic fibers in this somewhere. Like, I just don't know, like, but whatever. So again, if you guys have the money to afford this wig, there are other wigs on Amazon that are A, cheaper, 2, a lot greater quality, and 3, they're just gonna make you a lot happier. But yeah, that is my 3rd review on this unit, you guys. I don't know. Because I feel like this is probably like not the last look that I'm going to be able to get out of this wig. I may end up transforming one more time. So if I do that, you guys will see it. But I don't think that it's going to be more of a review. I think it's just going to be like a transformation video. So yeah, this is my 3rd and I guess final review on this Luduna wig from Amazon. Hold on now. I will say for 2 months on this hair, like it's not terrible. This is not a terrible wig, so don't take what I said too much to heart. But I will just say it's not one of the greatest wigs that I purchased from Amazon, so yeah, that's that. Well, I thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you guys enjoyed it, if you enjoyed me, please give me a huge thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below about what you guys thought about this video, what you guys think about this hair on me. If you guys have purchased this unit, or if you were thinking about purchasing this unit, leave me some of your feedback in regards to this wig. Maybe I got a different batch or something like that, but let's just have a discussion down below. Or just leave me some recommendations of other wigs to try, other wigs to play with, or whatever may have you down in the comments below. Or if you also just want to leave a comment down below saying, B, what's going on? Hi. I would greatly appreciate that. Don't forget to join this compact by hitting that subscribe button, but also don't neglect hitting that bell button right beside it so that you get notified every single time that I do upload. You can keep up with me on all of my social media platforms at Bronzemarley. I love you guys so much, and I will definitely catch you in the next video. Bye.